Hello there Algarve lovers and welcome to our channel, and today we're in the main square of Lisbon. Right behind me is the tallest Christmas tree in Europe, all lit up beautifully. We're going to walk down the pedestrianised street and check the lights out, so come and join me guys. I'll spin the camera around. Oh, what a beautiful square this is. It's quite magical here this time of year. There's that beautiful Christmas tree. Then either side of the square you've got loads of restaurants, but we're going to head for the pedestrianised street and check the lights out. I don't know if you can pick them up, some things flying about in the sky. You might not be able to pick them up on the camera. Across the road, get to that pedestrianised street. Crossing the main road is very, very busy. Can't believe how many people's here. If you've never been to Lisbon in December, you've got to come and check it out, guys. There's loads and loads of street entertainers on. Really vibrant. Some lovely places to eat at quite reasonable prices as well. Most people are walking this way. I'm going against the grain. These are the great tuk-tuks. Some beautiful tuk-tuks. Another street entertainer here, guys. I don't know what instrument that is. No change left, I give all my money away. Look at the stunning lights there, guys. There's some cracking restaurants on this street. Some lovely cake shops, or pastelerias. They got the heaters out. As you would imagine, in an hour the temperature will drop. It's been quite a nice day today, about 18 degrees. Got the sports shop. This is a little bit early for people dining out this evening. Got one more road to cross. And it's all pedestrianised right the way to the hotel. We got a Pull and Bear, Bershka. Oh, here's a footballer, I watched him earlier on, he was really good. They have got a street here and all called Pink Street. It's got all the designer shops on there. I haven't been on it myself yet. This restaurant's quite busy. Oh, it's the burgers and tacos. We've just had a lovely pastel bacalhau. There's our Sue now. chilling out. This is what happens when we go out. Sue just plots up, tans the sangria in the port. I've got a crack on, working. It's a typical Portuguese restaurant, serving salmon, bacalhau and robalo. That was very busy at lunchtime. The sunglasses hut. It's a bit dodge walking with the camera down these cobble streets because it's all very uneven. It's a great time to come, guys, in December. I can't believe I've never come before. This place is busy. Smells lovely. Well, we've been here all day, and the place that you just seen Sue sat at was the first time we've eaten today. It's like about 6:30. We just had a little snack. I'm just going to show you these lights, and then we're going to go for a meal without a camera for the first time in a long time. I'll walk right up to the other square. Them heaters are great, aren't they? Well, I've got to say, it's one of the best pedestrianised streets I've been on. All the pastelerias and the pasta de natas. Sounds like we've got a bit more entertainment on here. That's the beauty of this street, you just never know what's around the corner. See who this is? It's quite a crowd gathering round. Alright, it's a band. Sorry for the shaky camera, guys. Just had to put the extension on. Bit too somber for me, guys. Let's give that one a miss. The further I go down the pedestrianised street, the busier it's getting. Loads of people walking around with cameras. Well, we planned out an agenda before we come today, and it's all gone pear-shaped. We've not left this main street. There's so much going on. Hopefully we'll be able to fit a couple of things in tomorrow before we go, like the tram and the cable car ride. It's too late to do it now. Some more entertainment on here, is there? They've got all the side streets as well. They've got lovely restaurants. we're approaching the end of the pedestrianised street. A lot of people have got the coats on, anticipating the drop in temperature within the next hour. That's a really nice place, the Godfather, Portuguese cuisine. And then just there we've got the United Colours of Benetton. That's our landmark for our hotel, which is there. And underneath is the restaurant to it. You got the castagna stall, the chestnuts. Smells lovely. Now just check this little square out, which we shown you earlier, but there were no lights on. Okay. I think this is open until 10 PM tonight. Lights are lovely. Got the street sellers selling things. The open top bus just going past there. Oh, it's beautiful. Great day out for the family. Stunning that, guys. We've got the little street train over there. All decorated lovely. All the trees all the way down the street with lights on. Absolutely beautiful. Well guys, I'm going to end this walking tour here. Hope you've liked it. If you have, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.